Hello guys, welcome back to Obakhas Geeks. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete YouTube channel, and I will show you step-by-step process on how you can do it on your mobile phone. It can be on Android or iOS device. So guys, let's get started. Now first, on your phone, you need to open your YouTube app. Then next, on your YouTube account here, tap on your profile icon in the top right hand corner of your screen. Then on your next screen here, tap on your channel. It's the first option up here, and you'll be directed to your channel homepage. Now the next thing you need to do here is to tap on these three dots in the top right hand corner. Then these options will pop up on your screen. Now you need to tap on help and feedback. It's the last option down here. Then on your next page here, you'll see these options right here, but we don't have what we want, so you need to come down here and tap on search help. Then next, go ahead and type in delete a channel. Then on your results suggestions here, tap on delete or hide your YouTube channel. It's the first one up here. Then next, on this page, you need to scroll down, and here we have hide your channel temporarily and delete your channel permanently. If you don't want to delete your channel, you can choose the first option, but this video is all about deleting a YouTube channel. So you need to tap on the second option, and these options will appear below these settings you have selected. So you need to scroll down, and here we'll see you have been given some few guides on what you need to do. So just tap on YouTube Studio right here. Then next, you need to choose the browser you will wish to access a YouTube Studio, right? So next, here we have two options. You can access YouTube Studio via an app or web, right? So just tap on continue to Studio, and here you'll be signed into your Creator Studio. Now next step, on your Creator Studio page, tap on this gear icon in the bottom left hand corner of your screen, and settings window will pop up on your screen. On this window, you need to tap on channel, the second option on your left. Then under channel settings, we have these three tabs, right? So you need to tap on the advanced settings. Under this tab, scroll down to other settings, the last option here, and tap on manage a YouTube account. Then from there, choose the browser you will use to open this option. Then on your next page here, under account settings, tap on advanced. On your left is the last option down here, and you'll see a delete channel is the last option down here. So you need to tap on it, then proceed with the few prompts like providing your password, and your YouTube channel will be permanently deleted. So that's how you can delete a YouTube channel. So I hope you found it useful. If you did, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.